Good morning, everybody. It's about 4:30 in the morning. I thought I'd share some of the fun I'm having right now. The wind picked up a couple hours ago. The wind chill is about 5 degrees. The wind's blowing about 20 mile an hour. I had to get up, one, to go to the bathroom, and two, because the wind blew my tent out of some of those stakes. So I had to go stake my tent back down. I just got snuggled back into my sleeping bag. But give you an idea how windy. My floor is lifting up. Now my tent's staked down. My floor is lifting up. You can't really tell, but my tent wall is blowing in, and over on this side, it's just blowing right through. My vegetables blowing all the way out. You see down there. Now I'm nice and toasty warm in my sleeping bag, but I wasn't when I got out. And so now that I got all that done, I'm gonna go back to sleep, and you all have a good night.